third queen here. Sit down. Now, put it up here.
Yeah.
Why are you here?
I don't know why I'm here. Ang galak naman ako po. Kulang ata ako po eh. Sa geography table.
Perfect.
Why are you searching? Perfect?
Wala naman. Say something about yourself. What is your, ano ba yun? Muli? Ano yun, best friend?
Ay, naku. Nakakaya ka talaga. Capital S-U-R-N-A-S-E. Surname.
Ay, oo. Sorry, tao lang.
Well, actually, hi, this is Rachel. I don't know my last name. I was found wandering around when I was 8 years old. I have few memories in my past. Kawawa ka naman po eh. Kausad naman. But, wala. Iwan ko pa ako naalala. And that is Paris.
Party?
Yeah, Paris. I want to go to Paris. So, can you help?
Bakit man gusto mo sa doon?
I don't know. Basta, go to
Well, actually, I have been here. One for me, one for one.
And that's you. Ako? Ang layo na nakaya sa station. Tingnan ko, capital A-N-Y-A. O diba? Hindi naman. Ayaw mo maniwala. Mali mo ka yan. May pangit yan. Bakala ka. Tingnan mo. Maya-maya. Tututusin yan. Humila kaya.
3, 2,
1. Wait, you can't finish now!
Ano siya sa Dimitri?
Naku, hindi na talaga. Sabi ko sa'yo, sama na ako eh. Just looking, I am
Yan ba na yan?